When it had happened, nobody knew what exactly unfolded that fateful day in the year of 2015. Was it a love story gone wrong? Was this something more than what met the eye? Surprisingly, at that time, nothing was meeting the eye. There was shock, national outrage, and speculations about the motives of the murder. But all these were merely opinions, hearsay, and not facts or even circumstantial evidences. Almost 7 years later, the case which sparked national outrage has once again come back to the minds of the people with the arrest of Kalyani Singh, daughter of the current acting Chief Justice of the Himachal Pradesh High Court yesterday. Today, we bring to you the Sippy Sidhu murder case and its relevant facts. But before that, do not forget to like, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more such updates. Sukhmanpreet Singh Sidhu, aka Sippy Sidhu, was a national level shooter and a corporate lawyer. He was also the grandson of Justice S.S. Sidhu, a former judge of the Punjab and the Haryana High Court. He was shot dead by unidentified individuals in a park in Sector 29, Chandigarh on September 20, 2015. According to the police, a 12-bore gun was used in the murder, and the forensics had confirmed that there were 4 bullet marks on Sidhu's body and 2 different weapons were used in the murder. But to everyone's surprise, no shell castings were found in the vicinity of the crime scene. This meant that the killing was premeditated, well planned, and was not something done in the heat of the moment. Chandigarh police began their investigation but came up with almost nothing. There was nothing that could help the police to be on the trails of the killer. Chandigarh police had questioned Sippy's several friends, including the daughter of the acting Chief Justice of the Himachal Pradesh High Court, who was arrested yesterday. But the line of the questionings back then had produced nothing against her. In 2016, the CBI took upon the case, but it too was coming up empty-handed. It was also reportedly claimed that a woman was accompanying Sidhu during the incident. This unknown woman was suspected to be Kalyani Singh, the acting Chief Justice's daughter, and she was questioned by the agencies back then. But it did not raise any suspicions of her involvement. CBI had initially asked this unknown person to come forward and give details, failing which it would be presumed that she had a role in the offence. It had published an advertisement requesting this unknown woman to come forward and had also announced a reward of Rs 5 lakhs. In 2020, the CBI also filed an untraceable report in court, requesting that the investigation be allowed to continue as they had questions regarding the role of this unknown woman in eliminating Sippy Sidhu. In 2021, CBI doubled the reward amount to Rs 10 lakhs and gave another advertisement stating that if anyone in the general public had any credible information related to the murder or any relevant fact, then they should come forward. But these also did not bear any results or headway. CBI continued its investigation of the case and recently had reportedly found some documentary evidence suggesting that Kalyani Singh and Sidhu were close, and perhaps their romantic relationship had turned sour, resulting in the elimination of Sidhu. Following this, CBI had again called Kalyani Singh and had questioned her. This time, she was found to be evasive in her responses. This cast a cloud of suspicion on her, and the agency arrested her for further questioning. Presently, she has been sent to 4 days of judicial custody. These were all the important facts, twists and turns of a case that shocked the nation 7 years back and has come in the limelight again. We hope that you liked this video. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.